Oh, what an unfortunate chicken. Hey, what's up? I'm Carl Shu from Snorkel.tv, and I want to teach you how to make fun animations like this, alright? It's not hard. I've got a new course called Animate CC For Everyone. It's for absolute beginners. So if you like doodling and making fun little pieces of artwork, let me show you how to bring them to life. You don't have to be a genius. I've got tons of videos that are going to walk you slowly through the basics so that you know exactly what to do, alright? We're not going to get too hard and complicated. I'm not here to show off, alright? I want you to learn how to do really cool stuff like making cows with rocket packs fly, or make some emoji heart eyes things spin around, alright? It's not going to be too complicated, but I'm going to hammer in the basics so that you understand it and have a ton of fun. Alright, I've got a free preview available. There's nothing to lose, so come, check out the course and start animating today. Awesome.